Hello, online students. This week you are getting familiar with GitHub. Hopefully by now you have looked at the LinkedIn Learning videos and you have created your GitHub account. This week you will be required to upload a web page to GitHub, and to do that you will first need to create a repository. If you look on the left side of the page that you see once you've created your account, you'll see a new button next to repositories, and you'll click that. You'll give your repository a name. In this case, I'll just call it New Repo. Make sure that the radio button next to Public is always selected. Otherwise, you can't share your work. I'm going to click the Create Repository button. And we can see that it has been created. If we look up top, next to my username, New Repo is listed as the repository. From here, I can upload an existing file by clicking the link by that name, pointing to it right here. And we can either drag and drop our file, or we can click the Choose Your Files link. That's what I'm going to do. And I have a file called sample.html that I'm going to select and click the Open button. This Commit Changes button is very important. Nothing is permanent in GitHub until you commit your change. So I'm going to click that button. And we can see that sample.html has been uploaded to my repository named New Repo. This is what I need to see from you when you turn in your work this week. How will I do that? You will copy the URL from the browser's address bar. Control-C is copy. And then in Blackboard, you will paste it as you have previous work. Next week, we'll look at how to modify a document by clicking on it and editing the code that's presented here. And what happens when this is done is you save a new version of your work. This is one of the many powerful and useful tools in GitHub. No earlier version is ever destroyed. That's what makes collaboration possible, and it also saves you the heartache of losing a better version of an earlier work.